Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Getting an employer identification number, or EIN, is the very first step for any new nonprofit organization. This unique 9-digit tax ID is absolutely crucial for your group to operate legally and effectively. Without an EIN, your nonprofit cannot open a bank account, apply for grants, or even hire employees. It essentially serves as your organization's social security number, allowing the IRS to officially recognize your entity. Obtaining it sets the stage for future fundraising and program success. To secure an EIN, your organization must first be legally formed and incorporated within your state. This means you've already established your nonprofit's legal entity, like a corporation or trust. The individual applying for the EIN needs to be a principal officer, a founder, or another officially authorized party within your organization. Crucially, each entity receives just one EIN, so ensure your nonprofit doesn't already have one assigned from previous activities. The simplest and fastest method to obtain your nonprofit's EIN is by applying online directly through the IRS website. This free process usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete, provided you have all your information ready. Once your application is successfully submitted, the IRS issues your new EIN immediately. This instant turnaround allows your nonprofit to move forward without delay, enabling immediate bank account setup or other crucial steps. Before starting the online application, gather all necessary information to ensure a smooth process. You will need your nonprofit's full legal name, its complete mailing address, and its physical location. Be sure to have the date your organization was officially formed, along with its specific entity type, ready. Finally, the responsible party applying for the EIN must provide their full name and social security number. Having these details prepared in advance streamlines the entire application. Once you receive your nonprofit's EIN, it's immediately active and ready for use. The very next crucial step is using this EIN to open a separate bank account specifically for your organization. This is vital for financial transparency and compliance. With your EIN in hand, you can then proceed to apply for your federal tax-exempt status, most commonly the 501(c)(3) designation, which is crucial for full recognition and fundraising.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.